That was a handgun modified to be automatic with a Glock switch. Police chiefs all across the state of Kentucky want these to go.
We know that this is a growing issue.
While Glock switches are federally illegal, state police can't enforce it unless there's a state-level law on the books saying so.
Right now, we would turn that weapon right back over to them if the federal government was not willing to step in.
House Bill 299 would basically mirror the federal ban here in Kentucky so that police could take these guns if they find them. However, Second Amendment advocates voted against moving House Bill 299 out of committee.
So I'm concerned about the constitutionality of it, especially given with 782,000 legally registered machine guns. It's hard to deny that these are in common use for lawful purposes.
Regardless, the bill did make it out of that Frankfurt committee, but it still needs a vote in the House and the Senate if it's to become law.